Today we will learn how to download Binance Binance crypto wallet on desktop or PC for cryptocurrency. We can also deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency from this wallet very easily. First, we download Binance desktop app. First, we search on Google crypto by Binance site. This is the officially Binance website. You can check. Yes, I want to download for PC. This is download for app, download for Android, download. I just want for Windows. Yes, this is just click on download. The Binance wallet will be downloaded. I have already uh, on downloading. I want to cancel this one. Okay. And the second one is completed. After that, I will log in my wallet and I will show you how to trade BTC and BNB and all cryptocurrencies, Ethereum. I will all show you how to trade on Binance wallet. I am pausing uh, and we will also check today cryptocurrencies price by market cap. This is also other cryptocurrency platform and the Bitcoin price is today 40,609.7 and the Ethereum price is 3,017 and Tether price is $1 and Bitcoin price is increases today and Ethereum price decreases. You can also check all these coins. Those are thousands of coins in cap market and Binance market and check. Now Binance wallet is downloading. After 3 seconds they will download. After that we will install this wallet on my PC. Yes, install. I will open this. How much time it will take? Internet speed is high, but yeah, download and then install it.